Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
I am Akash Vats, and my team members along with me are Lavish Garg, Shivam Singh, and Tiasha Majumdar. Our group number is 48, and our title is uh, Evidence Management System using Blockchain.
Great. It's a very important topic.
Yes, sir, and we are very thankful to you, sir, for providing us this topic. Though within a very short span of time, but we have tried our best to cover the maximum of the things in the topic, and most of our work is done. Like I'll say around 70% of our work is done.
Oh, great. Wow.
Uh,
Ah,
Yes, sir. Tiasha has done a very good work. She has already prepared, already have done the work of connecting of uploading your evidence. Like if you want to upload your evidence, it will be directly uploaded to the database, our database. And Lavish has done work on blockchain blockchain system of which you have suggested कि हमें कैसे किसी को vouchers देने हैं.
just a minute. Just a minute. Say blockchain, we would like to make use for voucher, monetary voucher,
Yes,
and
sir.
we would like to make use in evidence also.
Yes, sir.
And when evidence, we talk of the evidence, so we are already doing some kind of the locking. One thing we are doing, that date, time, and stamp and location stamp would be encrypted and will be protected with the hash value. So the protection
Yes,
with
sir.
the hash value is somewhat very close to the blockchain only. So how the blockchain would be further making it more reliable, and so that its chances of manipulation could be minimized, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
second is when our we are issuing promotional voucher, so they have to be since we have conceived that this promotional voucher would be transferable voucher. Anybody can present it to the family members, kith and kin, or even friends or girlfriend or whomsoever they want, right?
Yes, sir.
So these vouchers might be rotating to few years before they are deemed,
Yes, sir.
and the money is not really consumed till they are deemed.
Yes, sir.
Because till then they are in a digital format.
Yes,
So
sir.
no machine, no monetary or nothing has been consumed that way. Nothing has
Yes.
been spent.
Yes,
It
sir.
will the money will only be spent when it is redeemed, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
the redeeming, and these vouchers largely we have conceptualized should come from industries, from the CSR activities, from the brand building activity. So when they are getting redeemed along with the whose voucher is that, they are supposed to honor it. They are
Yes,
supposed
sir.
to provide that money which they have already pledged in advance,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Now with this observation you can really go ahead with your presentation.
यस सर, हमने वो भी चीज़ अपनी सारी पॉइंट आपकी सारी जो हमारी पुरानी मीटिंग में बातें हुई थी, डिस्कशन हुई थी, उसको देखते हुए हमने सारा काम किया है सर. और फ्रॉम नाउ टियाशा मजुमदार विल टेक ऑन द प्रेजेंटेशन.
Okay, okay, Tyasa, great.
Sir, I welcome you to see our project. So, am I
Okay,
audible?
yeah, you are.
So, sir, first of all, we have done our work on evidence management system using the latest technology of blockchain. So,
Okay,
what the common problem we have seen that normally everyone faces is like the police faces of handling the evidences. So,
okay,
handling evidence, transferring it on a secure blockchain is what we have mainly concentrated our work on. And
yes,
moreover, we have done geofencing. We have implemented geofencing to link the location thing. We have linked our app to locate the community user thing which you suggested, and our portal, which is the open portal for the safely uploading of the evidence to the database which the artificial intelligence team would be dealing with. So, sir,
okay,
today actually our net was having some issue. So that's why, on a quick notice, we prepared a PPT of the screenshots of the total work, because
okay.
the blockchain server was heavy to handle for going live, going video chatting, and the server. So we took a
But I
screenshot.
presume that you have completed that work.
Yes,
I
sir.
mean, just
Yes,
you
sir.
are
Of
not
course.
just you are not I mean, it is not PPT, but the background coding and everything has been done.
Yes, sir. So we have put the everything, the back end work also on the PPT, so that get sure that we have done the work.
Okay,
So
fair enough.
So we created our application. The first module is the module for, so I think, yes, sir. So the module for uploading the evidence to the database.
Okay.
So in this module, basically, I'll start with you with a scenario where people, you can say a layman walking on a street and see an accident that happened like sometime, and he or she might be in a position of how to, how to act upon, like how to take the evidence, how can he or she help to police. So our app is a way where the people would be uploading their people would be first registering with their email ID, Google account, or Facebook or Twitter. Will be having multiple options where they will be registered to our app, and then they will have their options of capturing the image by directly through the camera or uploading it through the gallery. So with this way,
just a minute.
Yes, sir.
It means, say, basically, if you are capturing from your mobile,
yes,
then
sir,
it is a direct capturing evidence and there is a full reliability, right?
Yes, sir.
When we are talking of something is being uploaded, we are not very sure what has been done before uploading.
Yes, sir. So for that, we'll first encrypt.
Just a minute.
Yes,
just have a patience. So there would be chances of using deep fakes and those kind of advanced software which can befool us to a great extent. So here we have to be very careful that when anything is being uploaded, that has to be very clearly stated.
Yes.
And then probably can we have some kind of back-end intelligence or some kind of the device which can make it sure it is not a product of any deep fake.
Absolutely, sir.
If it is say, we will not like to give any authenticity to any evidence which is not really authentic.
Yes, sir.
So now it is not the blockchain technology allowed. If we are say going for the uploading, then we have to make it sure that whatever is being uploaded, it is pure and
yes,
no adulteration, nothing, no manipulation, nothing has been done. We
yes,
have not used any Photoshop, we have not used any manipulation, we have not used any deep fake. Because
yes,
deep fake is, I think you must be knowing, it is dangerous. Absolutely dangerous. Right?
Yes, sir.
So now this element will be another challenge, equal challenge as of the blockchain technology.
Yes, sir.
So I would like to flag it, mention it very properly that this concern has been raised, because if we will fail to raise this concern now, public
yes,
will be raising this concern, advocate will be raising this concern in court of law. So we have to be ready with that before anybody else can raise this kind of concern.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay.
So, sir, we'll be uploading our evidence with totally encrypting it to the server. The artificial intelligence, which probably we have not yet designed, but we are thinking of using machine learning models to do the artificial intelligence part, which you just specified, so that there is the total authenticity of that evidence. So,
okay,
sir, I'm now going to show you the back-end work which have been done. So this might take a minute because of the slow internet. Yeah. So, sir, I'm showing you the backend app development work, which here it's the first page. This is just the first page of the project, the main activity area, the coding part.
Okay.
So I'll make it a bit quick. So this is the whole coding portion which we have completed, where we are doing two buttons, the possibility of uploading the image, which will take the amount of time, and the choosing of the image. Both the aspects has been covered here. So this is the screen. It would be looking like it is getting uploaded 0%. So, sir, I have just taken a random image at a background, which I am uploading to the server. So, sir, in this module, what would be like the image gets uploaded on the server which has been created on Firebase, that is totally secured, and there would be a push notification on the web portal. So sir, our web portal is getting linked with the app now. So a common man have access to the app, and the web portal is totally to the access of the forensic department, who will see the evidence through the artificial intelligence database that will be sent automatically by the machine to the forensic team. The forensic team would be investigating through the whole manner. It is decrypting the image, it is taking the image, and if it feels like, if it is absolutely reliable, then it is forwarding the case to police. So that the police thanedar is getting the push notification through the geofencing method, which will be explained by my teammate Shivam.
Okay. Thank you, Teresa. You have done good job.
Thank you so much, sir. It's my pleasure. So, sir, meanwhile he is coming, I'll just describe you the thing. The people would upload their evidence, and the local area thanedar would get the push notification of having an evidence of a possible crime taking place at his or her inspection area. So we have created the geofencing module. This coding part.
We were making one promise to all the citizens about about the privacy of their data. So once we have identified this is the piece of evidence, then we said that we will pack it with not only that it has value and blockchain technology, but we will immediately generate few certificate of integrity, certificate of admissibility, and certificate of chain of custody.
So I will be mentioning you to that also. So that we have created through the blockchain. So once the artificial intelligence would explore the authenticity of that particular evidence, we have like thought of an idea of giving the promotional vouchers which you specify, of encouraging people of giving good evidences on our app, like some offs, some discount offers, like that, vouchers to the app people. After we see that there is a proper evidence we have got, after it has been delivered to the police.
See, if it is directly being captured by the device through our app.
Yes,
because say we are creating a number of apps for the community and each section of the community. So if it is being captured, your technology will be sitting at the back end in the app itself, and it will do all kind of the things. So hanky panky is just not possible.
Yes, sir.
Now that artificial intelligence which you are referring, that will take care of before uploading something. Some manipulation should not have been done, right?
Yes, sir.
So that part will be taken care of by the artificial intelligence, and then your software sitting on the app, community app, that will take care of it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it means this module has to be integrated almost in all apps.
Yes, sir.
So your module will become a kind of a addendum, kind of a tool which will be sitting and doing its job in all the apps. I hope that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fair enough.
So, sir, the next slide I'm showing you. So, this is the video we took.
Okay.
So, it would just take a minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So, it is on now. If you are... So, here, for suppose Lavish types the name, Lavish.
Okay.
And it's getting typed, sir, because of the slow net. And it's checked. And he will click on check-in.
Okay.
So it's the thanedar basically, and it would go and check. He would receive a notification like this, and users within range. He would see the whole geolocation there with the radius where the crime is expected to be, where the people has uploaded the evidence. So by that way, when the case comes to the police immediately, they can take action. They can take the action on spot, going there.
Okay, here one thing I would like to elaborate that Thanedar would be having a supervisory app, and there will be one responder who would be having the responder app. So these two dimension has to be these two app has to be properly conceived,
Yes.
and with the responder app there will be integrated a smart investigation app.
Yes,
So
sir.
now,
So,
now
sir,
you can use now you can use these three terminology, and we have to go for very specified F for all three dimensions.
yes, sir. So for that purpose, which you just mentioned, the Thanedar would be using the web portal. So there would I will be getting on to that the web portal. That would be the web portal where the police.
Be less जो है ना not fix him to web portal alone. Let it
Okay,
be a
sir.
kind of a interchangeable kind of the things he can make use of the things through his mobile, or when if
Yes,
he
sir.
is in Thana, if he is having access to the portal, then he can go to the portal.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, he need not to be linked and be available at the Thana itself.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. We'll take
So
that into the
that
consideration.
kind of the scenario could be thought of.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I'll be sharing the next thing
Okay.
in a minute, sir. So, sir, meanwhile, I'll like to call upon Lavish to come and explain the work of the blockchain and the web portal.
Okay. Yes,
Lavish,
Lavish.
please join.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening. Sir, I have done the work on the blockchain web portal. Triyasha, please next slide.
Okay.
Okay.
Just a minute. It's getting like it is having some issues. So I think in a minute or two it would start sharing. Just a minute.
So what sir basically is that कि blockchain जो है front end पे नहीं ज़्यादातर back end पे focus होता है. तो
Correct. Very true.
तो सर हम ब्लॉकचेन के बैकएंड पे अभी मैंने जो प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज यूज की है वो सॉलिडिटी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज यूज की है विद द वर्जन ऑफ 5.1.2.
Okay.
हाँ. So I have performed a hashing algorithm in the blockchain, and Solidity programming provide a automatic blockchain algorithm. मतलब कि Solidity programming में पहले से एक hashing algorithm होता है, उसका नाम होता है NENAC hashing algorithm. It's the latest hashing algorithm developed by Ethereum network.
Okay.
So okay, Priyasha, next slide please. So this blockchain, I am showing the screenshot of the server while I am going to when I will going to start the server, because the server is on localhost npm server. I have used the npm server to host this blockchain files because I cannot able to share all the codes of the blockchain because it consists of 250 files.
Okay.
So I have shared you the screenshots of the portals and how it works. And just now we have not connected a single database from the app, like what the evidence the app will send. The artificial intelligence will check the evidence whether it is whether the integrity is followed, and artificial intelligence checks using some tools of image, and by using the image analyzer whether the image is edited or framed are used or not, whether this image is original or not by the image analyzer. And after that, artificial intelligence, after confirming, will send this database to the blockchain network. Okay, Priyasha, please next slide. So this is just now a basic login page of our web portal with the 3 options like police login portal, forensic login portal, and hospital login portal. Just now I have not connected a database, so just now we will be considering like the FIR will be generated manually by the police person or police thanedar. So if we click on the police button and log in into the ID of the police, yes, next slide. Next slide, yes. this, the FIR will be, this is the basic. After the filing the FIR, all the FIR will be shown here by the crime ID, offense code, the description of the FIR, and the timestamp at what time the FIR is created. And on above, you can see the home option and new FIR option and logout option. And while clicking on the new FIR, the main technology, the blockchain technology works here. When you click on the FIR option, Yasha, please, next slide. So when you click on the FIR option, a contract will be signed between the user and a contract. Like मतलब कि सर हम एक डील करेंगे एक सर्वर से कि जिस एड्रेस से ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कंपाइल होगा, फिर बाद में जब भी क्या कहते हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट यूज होगा तो सिर्फ वही एड्रेस उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को एक्सेस ले सकता है. मतलब कि अगर किसी हैकर ने या किसी कुछ ने भी बाहर का एक्सेस लिया तो उसको उस ब्लॉकचेन का एड्रेस चाहिए होगा, और अगर ब्लॉकचेन का एड्रेस जो होता है वो नियरली इम्पॉसिबल टू डिक्रिप्ट होता है. तो अगर हम जैसे न्यू FIR पे हमने क्लिक किया, हमने केस आईडी डाली, टाइम स्टैम्प अपने आप रिकॉर्ड होगा जो करंट लैपटॉप पर टाइम स्टैम्प होगा, और आप एडिट भी कर सकते हैं विद देयर ऑफेंस कोड एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन.
There seems to be some problem.
So, Lavish bhai, your mic is off.
Yasha, one slide back before the forensic portal. The one contract will be there of MetaMask. One slide back. See sir, when the button is clicked upload to blockchain, a contract like automatically generate. This is the MetaMask add-on created by the blockchain network. So you can do the transaction using the blockchain. For transaction using the blockchain, we have to use this MetaMask extension. And just now we cannot able to buy some cryptocurrency. So I use a Ganache network which provides 100 Ethereum as a cryptocurrency. Afterward, I will be creating my own cryptocurrency and it will be act as a free cryptocurrency so that the normal users can use it. Just now I've used the Ethereum currency. Here it will show that on uploading the blockchain, you can see the account to and address of the compilation. The address will be unique. Now, next time when the contract will be used, only this address person can access this contract. No other person other than this address can access this contract. Like you have first access, you have compiled this contract using this address. Now if I will log into this, if anyhow get the URL of this ID of this website, when I log in, it asks for the address. When I log in, it try to give my own address, it will say that this contract is not compiled by this address, and it automatically log out your system. It's checking that whether the user is authenticity or not. It's checking the user. This is the benefit of the blockchain. And when the FIR is added, the next portal, forensic portal, the use of forensic person is that to analyze the image, whether what the image thing, like sometimes image may not be clear or video may not be clear. Forensic person can analyze the image and video and give the description in the portal of the forensic. Tiasha, please, next slide. This is the forensic portal.
I think there is some connectivity issue.
This is the forensic portal, and when I will log into the forensic. Tiasha, please, next slide. And the FIR registered by the police personnel AI with all with all the videos and evidences will be listed there in the description option. The forensic person can use all the evidence and upload all the thing back to this evidence, and this is how the evidence is transferring from police to the forensic person using the blockchain technology, as it is immutable. So what the information is uploaded on this, we cannot be able to change. Only the delete option will be there to the admin person, who is the compiling the contract. Next slide. Yes, sir. So this is all the things we have done, sir. Now, sir, please suggest, sir, what we can, how we can improve.
This is all from our side, sir. Now we'd like to hear your suggestions and some of your views about the project.
Basically, it is very important, but I really could not appreciate because it has not been presented in that format. So I will make some general comment without really, I mean, they may not be really very concrete comment, but we have to say it will be just an observation kind of thing, that your tool has to be,
Yes,
I mean, this is a new technology. So we have to make it sure that when one packet and other packet, they should talk to each other, and that has to has verification. Those protocols have been properly observed, and it has to be properly audited, so that whatever the claim we are making, that should be that should stood the test of court, basically. So it means
Yes, sir.
we have to go for the third party audit, and we have to make it sure that whatever the claim we are making, those claims are authentic, they are verifiable, they're veritable, and we would be in position to basically prove the things before the court of law. And basically, it is not question of proving before the court of law. We would like to first prove to ourselves, because
Yes, sir.
what is more important, we would not like to use any evidence wrongly before the court of law for say, we don't want to harm anybody. We want to
Yes,
we
sir.
want to do honest investigation. We want to get honest conviction. There is nothing, no hanky panky, nothing of that kind of things are allowed. Even if the police want, that should not be an option open to the police. I mean, it should be very clear kind of the thing. I mean, that we have to,
Yes, sir.
that we have to really ensure about it. With that, I feel it is serving the purpose largely, because ultimately it is meant for two things only. That is, one is for the evidence, and another for the monetary transaction. We have to make it sure that that monetary voucher, before it is protected with the blockchain technology, it should have its own proper creation, because nobody should be in position to create a forged voucher, right? So right
Yes,
voucher should be created by the system, then it has to be protected with the blockchain technology, and let it move as many cycle it has to move. When it is comes to the redemption, then it should be redeemed, as simple as that. Then
Yes,
we have to really decide that what will be the exact methodology. Probably we have to pay little attention on that part also. That how that money and which has been guaranteed or by a particular industry under CSR, or a particular industry under branding or image building. So the redemption of the blockchain protected voucher, this dimension I would like to should be paid little more attention.
Okay, sir.
Right. Number one. Number two, say we are creating everything protecting with the hash and blockchain technology. Simultaneously, the replica of the same has to available for the analysis by the system, because system has to then analyze and put the things in a database. Right?
Yes, sir.
And the backend intelligence has to be integrated in the database. So these will be the issues which have to be kept in mind, and probably this is a new subject. We have to do a lot of brainstorming. We have to really see lot many criticisms. We have to really even Sometime, if required, then we have to go for that fraternity which is working on the blockchain technology, and
Yes,
we should
sir.
try to learn from them, because it is a very new topic. There are not very many literature is not available. Lot many experts are not available. This is a really budding technology.
Yes, sir.
But we ventured in that also, because we
Yes, sir.
said, no, we will not be lacking in this. So your project is really very important. It's very challenging, and probably you have to really travel extra miles for this. I think with this,
Yes,
in a very short period, you could have responded. That itself is a really worth appreciating. And whatever we have discussed,
thank you, sir.
you would be in position to really show it functional format.
Yes, sir.
And then basically the whole community has to sit together, and we should be vociferously try to criticize it, because that is the only way to improve it.
Yes, sir.
If required, then we will go for that body of expert, and then we will present our and let them come out with the criticism. Probably that kind of the things would be helpful in further refining our product. With this, I would like to close my observation here. Do you have any question?
No, sir, we are all clear. And from next time, we'll make sure we show you the real portal and not the PPTs. It is because of the net connectivity today. And thank you for your review, sir.
I am very happy that in very short span you took the challenge, and you could still come out. And this is the most difficult part which we have given to you.
Yes, sir.
So let me tell you, it is not a small thing. It's a very difficult thing, and it is a most budding technology.
Yes, sir.
Because lot many expertise are not available, or not available at least in India. So we have to do a lot of things. So still you could have done a good job. I am appreciating your confidence, that you are confident that in say next presentation you would be in position to show it real in a functional format.
Yes, sir.
And then what we can do, we can take samples, kind of the things. Okay, so this is the sample. Now it has moved like this. Now this kind of the certificate has been created. That's the way it has to be. Then we can even have some kind of the mock court. How your evidences will be put up before the court, and how it will be presented in the court of law. And one of the team, it is working on the video conferencing trial. So somebody may, or we will take the student from the law college, and we will make them the judge. We will make them the say defense lawyer, advocate lawyer, and then we will try that how our blockchain technology protected evidence goes in the court of law. That kind of the realistic creation of scenario would be helpful in very critically examine and the critical parts and the criticism. So though appreciation is very important, little patting on the back is also important, but
Yes, sir.
more important would be that somebody should criticize very constructively and allows the opportunity to improve ourselves, because that is more important than say somebody just for the sake of patting back he's doing that kind of thing. So that may not be really very appropriate kind of attitude.
Yes,
so
sir.
we have to really put this on some kind of a mock court kind of the things. And since one of the group is already designing the videography kind of videographic trial, so we will try that through their project, how we can put this blockchain technology, and we can have experience of the court, and that how the defense lawyer will be acting, how the prosecution lawyer will be acting, how the advocate would be acting. So
Yes, sir.
these NLOI students, they always conduct this kind of the mock trial. So we will make use of their expertise, and we will conduct the mock trial of our blockchain technology.
Okay, sir.
And their comment would be very meaningful to us, because
Yes,
they are the people, and we will give all the material in advance, so they will prepare very thoroughly to really rough us on the wrong side. So we should be ready to take on that. And I think
Yes,
with this observation we can I think close it.
Yes, sir.
My appreciation for taking it so voluntarily and doing a great job within 7 days. I mean, that is not a small thing. So my compliments to your team. All the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.